Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open your prototype in presentation mode and position the artboard exactly how viewers should see it. Next, pick a recorder, built-in, Loom, or OBS, because you'll need mic input and optionally camera. Make sure audio levels are set and Do Not Disturb is on. Once done, do a quick 5-10 second test clip to confirm screen capture area and voice clarity. This prevents redoing long takes and gives you consistent footage to edit later. You should record interactions in a smooth, logical flow. Start at the first frame and walk through primary tasks while speaking to explain why each action matters. Use prototype playback controls and demo hover, click, and transitions deliberately. This shows behavior versus static screens. If you need to pause, mark timestamps or add quick screen markers to simplify editing. Make sure to keep sentences short when describing UI, then expand briefly on reasoning. You're wrapping up. Stop the recording cleanly, then edit to remove dead time and fix errors. Add captions or callouts to emphasize key elements. When exporting, choose MP4 with H. 264 at 1080p for broad compatibility, unless file size forces 720p. This balances quality and upload speed. If audio is out of sync or a click misfired, re-record only that short segment and splice it in, because fixing tiny parts is faster than redoing the entire walkthrough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.